Hi guys, I'm Clinton with the BBQ Pit Stop. Today we're going to talk about the new Gozney tread. Guys, we are really excited about this new Gozney tread. The first thing that we like about this thing is that it's just under 30 pounds. So it's very lightweight. It's easy to grab it, carry it around. Some of the other Gozney products, we love them. We think they're fantastic. Gozney does a fantastic high-end, good quality product. They took all of those great positive points and they kind of shrunk it down and made it a little bit lighter. That's what's so good about this. This thing was made to go camping with. Look how incredibly sleek this thing is. You have your thermometer here on the side. It is sitting on one of the accessories, which is the stand. It spins on it freely. Good looking unit. You're looking at about 12 inches of an opening. That's a perfect size to do your individual pizzas. Since this has the Gozney name on it, these pizzas take anywhere between 2 and 3 minutes, sometimes less depending on the temperature that you're cooking at. I like doing it slightly lower, so I do mine at around 650, 700, so it takes closer to that 3-minute mark. With this 12-inch opening, the pizza peel, the small pizza peel, fits perfectly into this thing. It allows you to get your pizzas in and out quickly and efficiently without touching the flame on the side. Another amazing accessory that comes with this is the rooftop table. This thing is extremely easy to put on. That's it, done. And now you have an extra table, goes right up here, that you could put all of your pizzas, you can make things on it, you can pull your pizzas out, put it on top of it. They thought of everything for this Gozney tread. This Gozney tread is actually standing on their new Tread Venture stand. It's got 4 pieces on it. It's adjustable so that if you're on a piece of land that while you're camping is a little uneven, you can adjust this thing out to get it to the perfect level position for your tread. Everything Gozney does, everything. It doesn't matter what accessory you get, it doesn't matter what unit you get, it doesn't matter what you want to buy with the Gozneys. Everything that they do is extremely high quality. It's the best bang for your buck. It has a wonderful price point on everything that you're doing with your Gozneys. Well guys, that was the Gozney tread. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It's going to be a great accessory if you're going camping, if you're going to do tailgating, if you're just camping out in your backyard. If you want to just take it to a park with your family or with your friends, whatever, this thing is extremely portable and it's going to be a wonderful accessory to anything that you need to do that's mobile. They will be available at all BBQ Pit Stop locations starting March 11th with all the accessories. Visit us at any of our 5 locations here in Utah.